This is the first time I'm actually sharing myself on my YouTube channel. I'm working on my confidence so that I can make more videos like this. If you find it interesting, I want you to give this video a like and also drop a comment if you have any question. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the lessons I've learned recently on the best ways you can save and also make investments too. So without waste of time, let's get into the video. Number one of the most important things you have to do is to track your expenses. A lot of people today spend money on things they are not even aware of that they're spending. For example, you may have made automatic payment of a service that you no longer need. Every month I'm being charged for my YouTube Music. Because I was able to track my expenses, I noticed that I was paying for YouTube Music and also for Spotify also, which was not necessary. So because I started tracking my expenses, I saw that I do not need to continue payment for Spotify, for example. Good. So it is very important that you track your expenses so that you know the things that is taking more of your money. You'll even be surprised that what is taking most of your money are things that are not really important and you can cut them out. If you do so, you will see a very good increase in the amount of money you have left at the end of each month. Another thing I want you to do, which is very important, is that you should be able to live within your means. So take for example, you are making a certain amount of money, maybe let's say 10,000. Make sure that no matter what you do, you live under 10,000. A lot of people today live a lifestyle that is above their means. You don't have to be influenced by what people are doing, because if you allow yourself to be influenced, before you know, you end up living a way of life that does not match the amount of money you are making, and it will keep you poor a long time. Just imagine if you lose your job now, what would you do? So you see, you have yourself to blame. Another thing I would suggest you do is to make investments for the future. When I make investment for the future, I mean you have to save money with the purpose that after a long period of time, you'll be able to reap maximum profit from that amount of money that you have invested or saved. Take for example, I myself, I make use of fixed deposit with my local bank. You can also do the same too. Ask your local bank how much interest you will gain by having fixed deposit. So all I do is set out a certain amount of money and lock them up for a certain period of time. Over a long period of time, because of accumulated interest, I know that I'm going to make more money in the long run. Note, that money that you are making in the long run is money you did not work for. It is your money that is actually working for you. I'm not going to make this video very long because this is the first time I'm making a video like this showing my face. So if you enjoy this kind of content, I'll continue to make more. All you just need to do is like this video and comment down below. If you have questions about this video or questions about my previous video where I talk about Binance, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to credit your Binance account, how to withdraw from Binance, you let me know in the comment section. I'm going to answer most of your questions. So see you in the next video.